friends, welcome back to the channel udaysreview. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. In this video, let us see a wonderful machine from Sony. It is Sony ZV-E1. This camera is mainly focused for vloggers. It has quite a bit of advanced features in a compact camera. So first let us see the unboxing, then we will see the details of this camera. So here's the box of the camera, and if you take a look into it, it says Sony on top. To the side of it, it is camera image in a silhouette. And to the other side, it has few details, like you can see it is a E-mount 35mm full frame sensor which is built into this compact beast. So let us see what and all this has. As I said you, this is the 35mm full frame sensor. It is also said as interchangeable lens digital camera. This is a mini version of A7S III built in with latest software of A7 V. The box, and let us also see the unboxings of it. Let us see the outer box. Afterwards, we'll see the unboxing. So this camera is not yet released in India, so we had to import it, and soon it will be available in India. If you see the other side, there is a Alpha logo here, and to the other side there is ZV-E1 or ZV-E1. Below there are like content of the box. What is there inside? It is clearly mentioned here in English. Supplied accessories, rechargeable battery, that is NP FZ100, and shoulder strap and windscreen. We got it as a body only thing, and if you want a kit also is available with 18 to 50 mm lens. So without the delay, let us get into the unboxing. There is a seal here. We already opened the seal to see the camera, and now once you open the box, there are few paperworks which is being given here. As this is bought from outside of India, we have one more additional document I will just show to you. So as I told you, we got this outside India. This is the warranty card which is given by the seller of outside India. So it has tourist limited warranty of 1 year. So the next slip we have here is the firmware update for this camera. Presently this camera can do 4K in 60 fps, but Sony had promised when they released this camera that this camera can shoot up to 4K in 120 fps. So this is a small firmware update where you can see the link here. If you go to that link, you can download the firmware and update it to the camera. We will show you that also. And same thing is printed on the other languages also over here. The next slip is about the camera. This is interchangeable lens ZV-E1 E-mount. This is a startup guide where you have all the details: inserting the battery, preparation of the camera, what batteries to be used, how to connect the straps, all the stuff. What shooting modes are there, then initial setup, attaching the lens, attaching the windscreen. For US and Canada customers, there are some FCC radiation exposure limit document here. Then they have the service center details here, and this is for the Japan customers. This camera can be remotely accessed via an app, so that's why they have mentioned here iPhone and iPad. We'll see what is there next. This is also some document for Thailand. Backside it is for Arabic. Next we have few accessories for it. Lens accessories. You can scan this barcodes and see what are the accessories and lens supported for it. The same document like user manual is there in Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure. Same is with Urdu or Arabic. There is one more reference guide which is in English. They say the battery hazard, all these warning stuffs and all here. What to do and what not to do for the battery. You have an additional 3 months warranty on this 12 plus 3. So this package is a eco-friendly package which can be recycled properly. That is what they have mentioned in the website. So once you open the box, we see the Sony strap here, which is default for all the cameras. Alpha series has Sony logo in orange color and alpha symbol will be returned. Let me see whether this has the same. Yeah. So here white color it is mentioned, and in A7, S3, A7 III and A7 IV, A7 V, this strap will be mentioned in orange color instead of white here. And let us see what is there in this. See, all the packages are literally a reusable or recyclable material. So in this we'll see what is there. Inside this there is a dead cat for the mic. This has a 3-directional mic, so that's why they have given a dead cat here. So let me show you all the details. Next, if you see in the box, you have a battery. This is also proper recycled material. So this is the battery. This is NP FZ100 battery, which is there for A7 IV, A7 V and all. This is an improved battery. Previously was FZ50, now it is FZ100. Next we have body. Let me take out the body. All the packing which is there here is made of recycled material and which can be biodegradable also, which is mentioned in their website. This is the body. So this is the Sony ZV-E1 body. So on top of here you can see Sony logo and Alpha series, and this also has a tally light. This is the E-mount bracket where if I open it you can find the sensor. This is a sensor. This is a 35mm full frame sensor. Here you have a button to release the lens, and this is a grip for the camera. You can hold it like this. Onto the top here you can see a gyroscope symbol and a tally light here, and you have a hot shoe mount here where you can remove it and you can connect the dead cat or flash or anything to it. This is a mic. This has a 3 unidirectional mic. One is over here, one is over here, and one more is over here. From whichever angle you talk, the mic captures it. We'll show you all the demo in some time, or maybe we'll have a dedicated video on it. So here we have the mode switch. So first one is photo. If I slide it to the second, it is video, and if I slide it to the last, SNQ is a slow motion thing. And this is a record button for video, start and stop. This is a zoom rocker, which this camera has it inbuilt. If you use zoom lenses or tele zoom lenses, you can do the zoom from here. This is the on off button, so this is off and this is on. You have a custom button here where defaultly it is set for product showcase. That is, if you keep any product, the product will get highlighted and the background will be blurred. Not even for the product, it can be used for taking portrait pictures, or you can take the videos also using this. And this one is a dialer where you can change the settings, move into the menu, all those stuff. To the other side you have a strap holder here, and this is the plastic grip, this grip is made of plastic but they have a rubber onto it. Back side you have some buttons, like this is a C2 button where you can customize this button for anything, and all these buttons defaultly you can customize to any of your settings needed. And there is a function button here. This is a second dialer where if you want to go inside the menu and all, you can use this, and there's a dedicated play button and delete button. So you have a couple of doors here where the first one, if you open, is a mic input jack and USB-C for charging or doing live streaming. Then second door is for putting your SD card. If you want to record 4K, you will have to use the Sony Tough card. Press it and lock, it will lock. Last door is micro HDMI port and a headphone jack. And the bottom you have the 1/4 inch thread to put it on the tripod or anything, and this compartment is for battery. So let me put the battery and show to you. So this is the battery. Let me insert the battery and show to you. Once you click it, this blue color clip will get locked, and once you want to remove it, you have to just release this button and it will get released. So put it back, then close it. So this is overall of the body. Now let us see the registration process of the camera for the warranty process. So as I got this camera from out of India, so I'll be using the registration website which is out of India. So now let us start the process, and you can see the video where I have registered the camera. So first I'll go to the website sonyasia.com and do a sign in there. So here it is asking to enter my email ID for which the account has to be created. So I am entering the email ID. Then it says select your serial number, and the information is given like where you can find the serial number. So I am entering my camera serial number here, and it automatically picks up the model number. Purchase date is also there, and I'll be entering all my details here, including my first name, last name, race, password, re-enter password, phone number, date of birth, gender, and state. So I am mentioning state as Kuala Lumpur. So done. Now I'll have to re-sign in again. I'll give my details and sign in. It says account is not verified. So I'll go to my email, and there it says verify it. So once I verify, my camera shows there, my IME number, my serial number, purchase date, warranty registration number, everything shows there. So this is how we'll have to register. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video, and there's a second part of the video about the lens we got for it. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and share it with your friends and families. And also please let us know in the comment below what you think of this video. So thank you. See you later.